No, I think it goes in the side.
No, that's
No, that's not how you do it.
What's it?
Let me show you.
Yes.
What is it?
Oh, the pizza go in the side. Oh, in the oven like this.
No. Let me show you.
Let me show you.
Oh no.
Oh! Eh, naupuan niya. Diyos
Wow,
ko.
the minions laugh.
Wait.
Oh, maligo na, Jo.
See?
No, I'm playing.
Naghihintay siya.
Naghihintay. Ng pera.
My food.
See?
Pera. Naghihintay ng pera.
Other side yun lang. Because the oven is on this side. So you go.
Naghihintay ng pera. Grandma had money, anak.
No, so the customer goes.
Saan mo gagamitin yung pera?
No.
Kinuha na niya yung pera mo.
But oven.
I know you passed.
No, because the oven, you have to cook the pizza.
Oo nga, ano ba yung pera? Tanong mo ah. Bakit kailangan pera?
Ba't kailangan ng pera?
Julie, Grandma is asking why you need money.
Because I'm broke.
Sinong bibili?
I don't know.
Grandma is asking why you need money.
I'm broke.
I know why you need money.
I don't know. Why are you broke? I just want money.
Wala.
No, Julie. You have to chill.
You have to work. She's working right
I'm
now.
working right now, buddy.
No. You didn't pay that.
Well, I'm still waiting for my food.
Dilana,
Where's
see,
my food?
the price is here. So this is, baliktad yung sticker.
Joanna,
We have to put the sticker outside.
Joanna, can I please?
Wait, I'm not waiting. Take care.
Sabihin mo, ilagay yung mga yon, parang pag nag-order ng burger, ilalabas niya.
Huh?
Ipasok mo doon sa loob yung
Oh,
mga yan.
Grandma said you have to put everything in the
Hide it
oven.
there.
That's not how you do it.
No, to make it warm. So it's
No.
still warm.
Oh, but that's not how you
Pag
do
may
it.
customer, burger,
That's not how you do it nga ron.
Ikaw na magluto.
Can you be the customer now?
Huwag niya tawagin ka. Call Grandma to cook.
Joanna, can you be the customer?
Ni...
Joanna, can I cook? Joanna, can I cook? Joanna. Joanna, can I cook? Joanna, can you be customer and I cook?
Sabi mo, bigyan mo ng pera pang paliguan mo na.
Joanna, can I cook?
Dilana, I'll give you money.
Joanna, can I cook?
You cook your own.
Do that.
I thought you know everything.
Put the banana inside the blender, it says. See? Where's the banana?
It's over here.
Where?
Oh.
And the strawberry too.
No, wait. You have
Banana first.
Stop, please.
Stop!
You're paying that.
Give me banana.
I don't see you. I'm seeing your back.
Oh,
My banana sweatshirt.
Banana dress. You're wearing banana dress.
Banana. Didn't you brother to church?
Smoothie.
She's wearing banana dress.
what? What is it? Oh,
I want my smoothie, please.
Wait. Give
What
her
is hand? What is the hand?
your ham.
mag-order ka na, Jo.
This one.
Can I
Eh, hindi pa ready yung tindahan eh.
Sarado pa siya.
Ba't ang tagal naman ng tindahan?
Asan na yung ano? Oh, right here.
Ay, baliktad.
Put it here.
Baka naman, ano to eh, baka naman, ano to,
Tomato.
No, not too late.
mukhang second hand nata to sa Walmart.
Picture that.
Baliktad.
Picture that. No, look. Let me show you how to do it.
Okay, show to Ate Dong.
But how are we gonna cook the pizza in the oven? It's in front of the customer.
Oh, the ice cream is gonna need to be in the fro. Oh.
This one is mine.
Oh, dinanline daw ni. Oh.
Oh, wait.
Oh,
Ganun pala.
Doon pala kakain yung customer ni.
Sa harap pala. Okay.
Mark!
Julie, pick customer.
Customer now.
Cooking.
No, that's the table.
Oh, on the table. Sorry about that. Ma'am, why are you? I can't see the choices now.
We
No.
don't have choices.
Taco.
Can I have a burger and a taco and pizza and a drink?
Don't say top.
I want pizza and I want a burger and I want one of the tacos and I want some cola.
Ang nini, may oven mitted pa ni. Mainit eh, mainit. may gloves pa siya
How
ni.
much will that cost?
It's pizza.
Dilana,